Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are on some more Roblox. Woohoo! So, my character is kind of looking. Go and get that blue golden play button. I'm with you, go! Okay. I can do this easily. Okay, that's what he says. Okay. Okay, this is quite easy so far. I'm not good at this. I do have my pajamas on. Wait, and the light is on. That was so close, look how close you were. Okay, there are some invisible. There are some invisible, so be careful. Oh. So, not that one then. That's what I know. I'm on the second stage already. So, it's just this side. Then, jump over there. Choose, do the camera trick, LOL. Help me, so it might not be that one, but it might be, who knows. Okay, no, it is not that one. Not this one. Okay. No, it's the purple one. She's like, help me. I know you can do it. This one. So it's like the dark colours. Some lasers. I know you can do it. Oh. Straight away, I died. I feel like it's gonna be this one. Then it's gonna be no. So then that. Okay, I think it's gonna go you know. Whoa, I lagged. The time has gone really fast. So I feel like it's gonna go that one. I don't know. Oh, it's so close. So 2, 2, 2, 2. No, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So go that one. Then come that one. Go that one. Then go that one. I hope so anyway. Tightrope, not that tight. LOL. His face. What if I send it to him? Can I get some else of that, please? I want him. That scared me. I nearly fell. Okay, I felt like that woman did. Okay, so okay, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, again on the same line. So hard. So it's weird that there's no skip stage. I need that play button. I hate it. I wonder if you actually finish it and you actually do get the golden play button. That would be good. How? My face cam isn't looking this time. I feel like if I do say that, it's like some. No, 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 no. So hard. Okay, so So no. That I will show you. Okay, guys, so I nearly made it to the end. It is so hard. I don't know why it is so hard. Okay, so he's gone the wrong way anyway. He went that way, but you were. I think it's that way, but it isn't. So yeah. Subscribe to Girl for Juice, subscribe to Dennis. Yeah, subscribe to both of them because they're both cool. I always subscribe to Dennis. No, I am. Yeah, I think so, yeah. I don't really remember. This is my second video. I don't know why I didn't do. Oh, the D-red acid. What is that? Oh, the D-red acid. This acid will be better if this will be green, lol. I didn't touch it! Guys, I did not touch it. Jump. Boom, did it. Another tightrope for deadly blood. Look at his face. So weird. Okay, well, let me just move it down there. There you go. There. That was so close. I was so on the edge. I did not touch that. Yeah, like, oh, you see his face. So then, yeah. I still did a good job. Oh my god. Okay, so jump. Roblox makes no sense, but I still like it, so. Yes, of course. And I think we're nearly at the end, so. So guys, I will check you back when I'm half through it. So guys, I have got halfway through it. I'm nearly at the end. So, I'm gonna change my channel name, and it's gonna be called TT the Roblox Gamer. But if you see that it hasn't changed, that means I can't change it because it's silly. Oh, I didn't read you that. Well, I can read from over here. You complete the dark box. I can't. Oh, cause you see that? You can't. But you completed the dark box. I can't believe that. And now disappearing for us. Well, we already went through, so we'll go up here. Yeah, we made it. I cannot. Won't let me. I don't know, but so. Thank you guys. Now I have my golden play button. Be sure to subscribe to me too. Let's see if I can get it. No. Let's see. Double speed. It isn't that much of a speed. But what about regular speed? Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye!